bright light. Okay, and my airline. Put a hook on over there. There we go. Okay, we got to deburr this thing. You didn't take off your dingleberry yet. Low flying Chad. Is that for Trump or was that for who's the other asshole ran? I forget. Clinton. Let's see here. Where is our grinder? Yeah, one of these two ought to do it. Take the skinny one. Looks better from this direction, but it scrapes up your chrome. Why don't you go give me a piece of cardboard laying over there somewhere? There must be at least one or three of them laying around somewhere. That'll work. Perfect. Boom. Okay, we're going to knock off the snaggletooth right here. Your camera can't see that. Because we don't want that to poke into anything. Deburred too. Okay, now we gotta do the other side over here. See, this one has to grab a little harder. Yeah, flip it around this way. See, if I go like that, it cuts the tank. It might be a slight leak. Now you're going to cut these off. See those nice sharp edges in there? Those would cause problems on your positive ground cable, or positive feed cable. Oh, that's sharp. Right through there, it's a little sharp. Because of the grinder bit, digs in a little. Okay, now we come in with our deburring tool. A nice radius to it, see. Ooh, I took off that one too. run your thumb in there. If it doesn't draw any blood, it's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, we still don't know which way these lines feed yet. All the way back there.
Went all the way back?
Push it back. All the way back. All the way that way. Okay, go. You pulled it all this way. I had it where I wanted it.
Gotcha.
You didn't help. You tried, but you didn't help. Okay, so now you gotta figure out which way these lines go. So this is one. This is the other one. I think they're both going that way, but you can't tell which one does what. Be nice if they marked it. More than likely there's a tube that goes up this way and blows back over this corner somewhere, but we can't tell which one's further. When they don't mark the tank which one goes where, you're on your own. So, here's my flashlight. I knew I had a light someplace. There's definitely a tube in there on both of these. Damn, it blinds you. You can see the tube at the bottom of the hole. I don't know if you can see it in there. There's a round tube sticking up. You see it. All right, so both these are got tubes going that way. It probably doesn't really matter which one you use, but I'm going to put the feed, I think, on this side so it flows a little better. So we'll see. All right, let me get some tools. We'll be back.